Hello everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how you can get the black cat pet in Hypixel Skyblock. And before I show you how you can actually get and obtain the black pet, I'm just going to tell you that in advance that there is only one rarity of the black cat pet, and that is the legendary rarity. But there are simply two different ways to obtain the black cat pet in Hypixel Skyblock. And the first one is by going into the auction house and buy it from there. I can just quickly show you how much a black cat in legendary rarity is worth today. Just click on the auction agent and click in black cat. And as you can see, the first one will be different skins for your black cat. And then as you can see, there's not one there. The first one is a level 1 black cat pet, legendary rarity for 49,500,000 coins. So it's not a cheap pet to obtain. The second way for you to obtain the pet is really simple, though not necessarily easy to do, and is also Iron Man profile friendly. The way to get it is by visiting and participating in the Skyblock event called Spooky Festival, which happens once every Skyblock year. In the event you need to collect 2,000 purple candy and buy it from an NPC who spawns at the event called Fearmonger. You can also get the 2,000 purple candy in the bazaar if you're not Iron Man profile, which will cost you approximately 44,506,000 coins as of today. But you will still need to buy it from the Fearmonger at the event. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!